Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. To the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Humanities, Dr. Munaima G. Manabilang. To the Director of the Sentro ng Wika at Kultura, Dr. Almayra A. Tiburon. Chairperson of the Department of Filipino and Other Languages, Dr. Anida S. Mustapa. Esteemed faculty members, students, artists, and guests, warmest greetings of solidarity and creativity. As the director of the Mamitwa Saber Institute of Research and Creation, I extend my profound support to this meaningful gathering of voices, stories, and artistic expressions. This spoken word poetry concert, carried by the beautiful theme, Kwentula ng Buhay at Paglalakbay, serves not only as a platform for self-expression, but also as a celebration of our shared human experiences, our stories of struggle, growth, and triumph. This event stands as a testament to what we can accomplish when institutions come together in the service of language, culture, and identity. I commend the Sentro ng Wika at Kultura, the College of Social Sciences and Humanities, and the Departamento ng Filipino at iba pang wika, and all partners involved for championing this space for reflection and artistic freedom. I am also pleased to share a significant milestone with all of you. On September 16, 2024, through BOR Resolution number 368 series of 2024, the MSU Board of Regents approved the renaming of our office to the Mamitwa Saber Institute of Research and Creation. This reorganization reflects our expanded mandate, not only to advance research, but also to promote and support creative, literary, and cultural works as vital forces for transformation. As we continue our journey towards becoming a premier research and national peace university, let us never forget that art and literature are as vital to national development as science and technology. They give soul to our collective narrative. They preserve our heritage. They ignite the imagination that fuels change. To our spoken word artists, may your words pierce silence, provoke thought, and spark transformation. Your stories matter. Your journeys deserve to be heard. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang malikhaing bayan ng Mindanao State University.